you gonna be happy? Oh, 2021 is already here and I'm craving for ice cream, so I'm just going to get some ice cream. Finally, some ice cream. Hey amazing people, happy new year. I hope this new year brings a lot of positivity because I personally have a lot of positive vibes about this year because the last year was quite bad for all of us. So definitely this year I hope and I wish this year is going to be great. And my new year starts like दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मुद्दु मुद्दु आशा Mutyamantasha. Going back to 2020, Jan and Feb are fine, but from March, oh my god, I really don't know how the time flew because from March the whole world went on a lockdown, which is unimaginable for anyone. There's a lot that happened in this 2020 because what not we have seen bushfires, cyclones, floods, death of star actors, and also the green snow in Antarctica. I don't know because no one would expect it coming down the way because the whole world went on the lockdown and it's really not a normal thing because everything just stopped for a few days. After all the disasters, 2020 vibing to the song like so I'm a tough guy, like it really rough guy, just always so puffed guy, just can't get enough guy. I'm the bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, introduce you that type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. For some, 2020 was a nightmare, but for some, it was like a new opportunity for them because they had time to spend with their loved ones, and also some explored their new interests, and some started, or at least they gave a try of their unfulfilled and underlying dreams which they couldn't do for years. But 2020 was really a hell of a ride, and I'm really so glad that we are able to make through it and we are still surviving and breathing because I have personally seen and experienced some of my friends who just left their lives without doing anything, and I'm really glad, so glad that we are still breathing and there is air in our lungs, there is oxygen in our lungs, and our body is functioning well. And I'm really grateful and thankful for all of us who are still surviving. There comes the end of 2020 and thank God for that, and now we are wishing each other Happy New Year, which speaks out of our hopes. Let's hope for the best and prepare for the worst. However this year might be, I wish and hope we all can get whatever we want. Peace, happiness, health, strength, everything. so excited about this 2021. I hope this year really goes well for all of us. And I wanted to share a few things. Health is wealth. So please give preference to your health and eat healthy. If not, of course, we all eat junk, but do exercise, okay? Do exercise. And even I'm also trying to do. So make exercise a part of your daily life. And also being productive helps you to stop overthinking. This is a really big tip which I discovered in the lockdown. I used to overthink a lot of things and stress myself out, but then being productive will really help you. And also, self-love is not being selfish, okay? You have to first prioritize yourself, you have to be healthy, and you have to be in the peace of mind. Then only you could spread happiness or talk to others easily. You can spread positivity, like others can be happy and you can be happy. It's just so beautiful. Imagine that. You can't serve from an empty bowl. So first, prioritize yourself and just love yourself. And most importantly, don't just listen to others' opinions. It really just doesn't matter. They always stop you from going forward with all the criticism. If it's constructive criticism, it's perfectly fine. You can take it and you can develop it. But because of other people's opinions, you shouldn't stop yourself from doing things you love. Okay? This is really most important for you to stay happy. And also don't care about what others think. Don't stress yourself too much. It's okay, it's fine. Just look at me. Just look at me. I'm with the oily hair. I'm just like, sometimes I just film like a mess. It's just because don't care about others. People just love to see you being real. Just be real, that's it. Also comment down below what are the lessons that you have learned in the 2020, or if there are any ideas or advices for leading 2021, comment them down below. All I wanted to say is stay safe and stay happy. Woohoo! Happy New Year!